amenituma na shilingi 1,500.
Uge wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ukiterera riboti ica ikuhiro na ni atongoria kiama-ini kia Jubilee makiahukana no mundu gukorwo akierekera kuria araigua iganire gukorwo itheremete na njira nene na uguo gucungiriria ciuria kiondo rita kuria arumiriria ao kana maundu no maikaire wega kiama-ini giki gukiri uguo munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ni augite urumwe wa kiama kia Jubilee wihandite ta kahiga mai-ini na kiria kiri mbere yao ni gutungatira Kenya. Ugeta uyu ukirutwo ni mutongoria wa rigi bunge-ini Aden Duale na seneta wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja.
It was not by default. It was not guesswork. It was by design that we put together Jubilee with two primary responsibilities. Number one is to unite the people of Kenya and to eliminate the politics of division, ethnicity, and backwardness.
I would like to tell those detractors who think that they can bring division in Jubilee, wajaribu palingine. Sisi tuko pamoja, tunasema Kimiki Bagenge, tunasema Kiti Tenebo. We are one thing and we will move together as one.
We collapsed 15 parties into one party called Jubilee. Today we have the highest number of governors, courtesy of the people of Kenya.
Ruto augite ndegwitikira mundu wothe makiria ateti guthararia murutire wake wa wira ta munini wa mutongoria wa bururi amuni ahetire gutungatira Kenya na ucio niguo muoroto wake.
Mimi kazi ambayo nimekubaliana na Mheshimiwa Rais, mimi nafanya kwa kujitolea na Mheshimiwa Rais anajua kazi hiyo na ameidhinisha.
Uge wake ukinyitwo baru ni gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Samuel Ole Tunai na murugamiri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Soipan Kudate aria maugite urumwe wa kiama kia Jubilee niguo kuhotithia thirikari kuhingia ciraniro ciayo kuria Kenya.
Kuona ya kwamba for now we deliver services to the people of this county.
Umepigana vita nyingi kuanzia 2013 na Mungu amekuvukisha mingi sana. In fact, what is ahead of you is lighter.
Kelele ya chura haitakataza ng'ombe kunywa maji.
Nake mutafariri wa miango ministry-ini ogitiri wa thiini Patrick Ole Ntutu na mubunge wa Emuru Dikir Johana Ng'eno makiuga ni mariganirwo ni uthuri urari kuo gatagati ga ciama na atongoria na uguo njetukano kiama-ini kia Jubilee na iroto iria ire na aria matarendera kiama kiu wega.
Hao wananchi ambao unaona hawakuangi na shida, wale wako na shida ni wazee ambao unakaa na hawa.
Na hatutaruhusu mtu yeyote atusi wewe, adharau wewe, akufanye kama hauna faida kwa hii Kenya tunakoelekea.
Na hari uteti wa mwaka wa 2022 atongoria aria mauma kuo matangatha murugamo wao.
We will protect you. We will defend you. We will walk with you the same road until the end.
Atongoria acio mekwaragia igongona-ini ria mahoya ma hamwe mwena ucio kuria moriria Kenya guikarania hamwe na urumwe.
Alafu tushikane na Tunai.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.